Welcome to our countdown of the top 15 best autogyros in the world. These gyroplanes are amazing, combining modern designs with incredible performance. Whether you love flying or are just curious, you'll be amazed by the technology and engineering behind these flying machines. Let's explore the world of autogyros and see the very best. Rotorvox Gyrocopter C2A. The Rotorvox C2A is a high-quality German-made two-seat gyroplane designed for performance, comfort, and modern technology. Its carbon fiber monocoque frame and streamlined enclosed cockpit make it strong, lightweight, and very aerodynamic. Side-by-side seating gives excellent visibility and comfort, perfect for recreational flights or long cross-country trips. Powered by a 98-horsepower turbocharged Rotax 914 engine, it cruises at 145 kilometers per hour and reaches a top speed of 164 kilometers per hour, with a range of around 600 kilometers and up to 6 hours of endurance. The two-blade aluminum rotor and three-blade propeller provide smooth handling and responsive control. Inside, dual controls and modern avionics make flying intuitive and enjoyable. With advanced aerodynamics, lightweight construction, and pilot-focused design, the Rotorvox C2A offers innovation, stability, and excitement for gyroplane enthusiasts. ELA Eclipse Evo. The ELA Eclipse Evo is a high-performance two-seat gyroplane built for pilots who value speed, comfort, and sleek design. Its 140-horsepower Rotax 915 IS turbocharged engine allows smooth cruising at 180 kilometers per hour and a maximum speed of 200 kilometers per hour. With a 600-kilometer range, it's perfect for weekend trips or longer adventures. The lightweight carbon fiber frame and aerodynamic body make it efficient, responsive, and easy to fly. Inside, the spacious cockpit has modern instruments, heated seats, and excellent visibility for both the pilot and passenger. Safety and convenience features include an automatic rotor pre-rotator for easier takeoffs, hydraulic disc brakes, and a parking system for smooth ground handling. The Eclipse Evo combines style, innovation, and performance, making it a benchmark in personal gyroplanes and delivering a safe, enjoyable, and efficient flying experience. Autogyro Gyromotion. The Autogyro Gyromotion is a hybrid gyroplane that can fly and drive on the road, offering incredible versatility. Its Rotax four-cylinder engines allow cruising between 90 and 185 kilometers per hour, with a top speed of 195 kilometers per hour and a flight range of up to 600 kilometers in about 5.5 hours. On the ground, an electric motor powered by a lithium-ion battery enables speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour and a driving range of 20 kilometers, ideal for city travel and short trips. Its lightweight frame and advanced controls make it easy to handle in both air and road modes. The design allows seamless transitions between flying and driving. Currently certified in the Czech Republic, EU-wide approval is in progress. With its dual functionality, the Gyromotion is perfect for pilots who want adventure, convenience, and flexibility in one innovative aircraft. Niki Aviation Calathea. The Niki Calathea is a high-performance, two-seat gyroplane designed for recreational and professional use. Its carbon fiber monocoque fuselage and aerodynamic design provide stability, agility, and flight efficiency. Powered by Rotax engines like the 912 ULS, 914 UL, or 915, it cruises at 180 kilometers per hour and reaches 170 kilometers per hour, with a 600-kilometer range and about 4 hours of flight time. The spacious cockpit offers great visibility and comfort, while modern avionics and customizable interiors make flying easy and enjoyable. Its advanced rotor system and lightweight structure ensure responsive handling and strong performance. Ideal for surveying, personal travel, or leisure flights, the Calathea blends cutting-edge technology, versatility, and safety, giving pilots a reliable and exciting flying experience. MagniGyro M16 Plus. The MagniGyro M16 Plus is a two-seat gyroplane designed for both recreation and professional flight training. Its tandem open cockpit provides excellent visibility and an exciting flying experience. Powered by a 141-horsepower Rotax 915 IS turbocharged engine, it cruises at 150 kilometers per hour and reaches a top speed of 185 kilometers per hour with a range of around 523 kilometers and an endurance of 3 to 4 hours. Its carbon fiber and steel frame provide durability, strength, and safety, while the advanced rotor system ensures smooth, stable flight. The aircraft handles responsively, making it suitable for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Dual controls and modern avionics make the flying experience reliable and intuitive. With strong engine performance, agile handling, and a comfortable cockpit, the M16 Plus is perfect for cross-country flights, training, or recreational flying, combining safety, performance, and versatility for all pilots. Perfect. Here's the next 5 gyroplanes, 6 to 10, in the same easy, natural, human-readable style, around 150 words each with headings. Avamania G2SA. The Avamania G2SA Genesis Duo is a high-performance, 2-seat tandem gyroplane made for recreational and professional pilots. Its lightweight aluminum frame is reinforced with a Kevlar-protected fuel tank, adding extra safety. Powered by the Rotax 914 turbocharged engine, it cruises comfortably at 150 kilometers per hour and can reach a top speed of 180 kilometers per hour. With a range of about 600 kilometers and a climb rate of 400 feet per minute, it is well suited for a variety of flying missions. The design includes a centerline thrust system and a specially engineered tail to counter engine torque, ensuring excellent stability and maneuverability. Its modular construction uses high-grade aluminum and steel for durability and easy maintenance. Pilots can customize the cabin with a small nosepod or a full-length open cabin according to preference. Combining strong performance, safety, and flexible design, the G2SA delivers a reliable, enjoyable, and versatile flying experience for all types of missions. Air Gyro AG915 Javelin. The Air Gyro AG915 Javelin is a versatile 2-seat gyroplane that prioritizes comfort, safety, and performance. Powered by a turbocharged 141 horsepower Rotax 915 engine, it reaches a top speed of 124 miles per hour and cruises at 93 miles per hour. With a flight range of approximately 373 miles and an endurance of up to 5 hours, it is perfect for cross-country trips or exploration flights. The full carbon composite monocoque cabin offers 25 cubic feet more space than its Spartan variant, making it ideal for luggage, gear, or tools. High-inertia composite rotor blades and a wide wheelbase ensure smooth takeoffs and landings, even on uneven terrain. The Javelin also comes with modern avionics, variable pitch propeller, LED landing lights, and optional luxury interiors. Its combination of performance, comfort, and safety makes it a premium choice for recreational and professional aviators who want a capable and reliable gyroplane. Magni M24 Plus. The Magni M24 Plus is a fully enclosed, side-by-side 2-seat gyroplane built for comfort, performance, and reliability. Powered by a turbocharged 141 horsepower Rotax 915 IS engine, it reaches a top speed of 115 miles per hour and cruises at 95 miles per hour. With a range of around 325 miles and an endurance of 3 to 4 hours, it is suitable for cross-country travel, training, and recreational flights. Its carbon fiber fuselage, combined with a durable steel frame, offers both strength and agility. The spacious cabin provides excellent visibility, ergonomic seating, and modern avionics for an intuitive flight experience. The high-performance rotor system and responsive flight controls ensure smooth and stable handling. Dual controls and well-designed wheels improve ground handling and safety. Its efficient engine and aerodynamic design deliver strong power and optimized fuel consumption. Overall, the M24 Plus is a reliable, comfortable, and high-performing gyroplane for pilots of all levels. Auto Gyro Cavalon. The Auto Gyro Cavalon is a modern 2-seat gyroplane with side-by-side seating, combining elegant design and impressive flight capabilities. Its 141 horsepower Rotax 915 engine allows a top speed of 120 miles per hour and cruises between 75 to 110 miles per hour. With a range of up to 470 miles and 6 hours of endurance, it is ideal for short scenic trips as well as longer cross-country flights. The climb rate reaches 1,300 feet per minute, aided by a strong carbon and fiberglass monocoque fuselage for improved aerodynamics. The cabin is comfortable, climate-ready, and includes adjustable seats with lumbar support, heating, and ventilation. Advanced avionics such as Garmin G3X and ADS-B in-out offer excellent navigation and situational awareness. Safety features include a reinforced occupant cell, dual oil pressure monitors, and fire warning systems. The robust rotor system can handle various conditions, while removable cowling simplifies maintenance. The Cavalon remains a top choice for modern gyroplane pilots seeking comfort, performance, and safety. ELA-10 Eclipse. The ELA-10 Eclipse is a tandem-seat gyroplane designed for long-distance travel and recreational use. It is powered by a turbocharged 115 horsepower Rotax 914 UL engine, reaching a top speed of 120 miles per hour and cruising efficiently between 95 to 105 miles per hour. The 87-liter fuel tank provides a flight range of up to 400 miles with 5 to 7 hours of endurance, perfect for extended cross-country trips. Its carbon fiber fuselage and chromoly steel frame combine strength with lightweight design. The fully enclosed cockpit with tandem seating ensures comfort and aerodynamic efficiency. Shrouded elements reduce drag, improving overall performance. The aircraft climbs at 1,300 feet per minute, requires only 330 feet for takeoff and about 65 feet to land. With a perfect mix of agility, comfort, and practicality, the ELA-10 Eclipse is an outstanding choice for gyroplane enthusiasts seeking reliability and top performance for longer flights. Silverlight Aviation AR-1. The Silverlight Aviation AR-1 is an American-made two-seat gyroplane built for both casual flying and longer trips. Powered by a turbocharged 141 horsepower Rotax 915 IS engine, it reaches a top speed of 120 miles per hour and cruises smoothly between 55 to 100 miles per hour. Its climb rate of 1,300 feet per minute allows for quick and responsive takeoffs. With a 17-gallon fuel tank, it can fly up to 300 miles, offering around 5 hours of endurance. The airframe is made of high-strength welded stainless steel combined with a fiberglass composite fairing, enhancing durability and aerodynamics. The tandem seat layout provides unobstructed views, with the front seat designed for pilot operation and extra comfort. The AR-1 delivers a smooth, reliable flying experience with well-balanced handling, safety features, and comfortable cockpit design. It is perfect for pilots who want a dependable, enjoyable, and practical gyroplane for both recreation and extended flights. Argon 915 Trainer. The Argon 915 Trainer is a modern two-seat gyroplane designed for advanced pilot training and long-range travel. Its lightweight yet strong carbon fiber monocoque frame improves performance and efficiency. Powered by the 141 horsepower Rotax 915 engine, it reaches a top speed of 130 miles per hour and cruises efficiently at 105 miles per hour. The gyroplane climbs at rates up to 1,300 feet per minute, covering around 400 miles on a full tank and offering up to 4 hours of flight time. Inside, side-by-side seating ensures excellent visibility and comfort. The cockpit is equipped with Garmin GX3 avionics and a 3-axis autopilot for smoother flights. Additional features include a variable pitch MT propeller and durable landing gear, capable of handling rough surfaces. The Argon 915 Trainer provides safe, efficient, and reliable operation, making it ideal for pilot instruction, long flights, and professional use. Autogyro MTO Sport. The Autogyro MTO Sport is a tandem-seat open cockpit gyroplane designed for pilots who value agility and flexible flying. Powered by a 141 horsepower Rotax 915 engine, it can reach speeds of up to 120 miles per hour and cruises between 75 to 105 miles per hour. With a climb rate of 1,170 feet per minute, it offers quick takeoffs and efficient altitude gain. The 24.5-gallon fuel tank allows a range of approximately 421 miles with an endurance of around 6.5 hours. Its strong 4130 chromoly steel frame, combined with lightweight composite materials, provides both durability and performance. The carbon fiber tail and streamlined monocoque body improve aerodynamics, while extruded aluminum rotor blades contribute to smooth, stable flight. Takeoff distances range from 250 to 400 feet, and landing rolls can be as short as 60 feet, making it versatile for different airstrips and conditions. The MTO Sport is responsive, reliable, and perfect for adventurous pilots. Sportcopter M2. The Sportcopter M2 is a rugged two-seat gyroplane designed for tough flying conditions such as off-field landings and agricultural tasks like cattle mustering. Its 141 horsepower Rotax 915 IS engine allows a top speed of 110 miles per hour and a cruise around 95 miles per hour. With a climb rate of about 1,000 feet per minute and a flight range over 320 miles, it is suitable for longer operations without frequent refueling. Built with a strong 4130 chromoly steel frame and a triple rudder tail made from carbon fiber, it provides durability, stability, and precise control. Its unique wing step system improves in-flight stability, especially when carrying 2 passengers. The reinforced rotor head with oversized components enhances safety and rollover resistance. Combining robust construction, reliable performance, and practical features, the Sportcopter M2 is an excellent choice for pilots seeking a tough, adaptable, and dependable gyroplane for challenging missions and everyday flying. Nissus Gyroplane. The Nissus Gyroplane is a versatile two-seat aircraft suitable for both recreational and professional use. Its 141 horsepower Rotax 915 engine allows a top speed of 121 miles per hour and cruises between 80 to 100 miles per hour. With a climb rate of 1,300 feet per minute and a 24-gallon fuel tank, it has a range of around 310 miles. The welded chromoly steel frame, combined with a durable rotor system and composite three-blade propeller, ensures strength, stability, and optimal performance. Takeoff distance is about 656 feet, with a landing roll of just 60 feet. The spacious cabin includes adjustable seating, cabin heating, modern avionics, and extra conveniences like a luggage compartment and smoked plexiglass canopy, providing a comfortable and enjoyable flying experience. With its strong performance, reliability, and pilot-friendly features, the Nissus gyroplane is an ideal choice for safe, practical, and smooth flights.